Adding an online store to your GoDaddy website allows you to start selling products or services directly to your site. GoDaddy offers a built-in online store feature within its Websites Plus marketing plan. Here's how to set it up in a few simple steps. Log in and access Website Builder. Sign into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to My Products and click on your Website Builder site. Click Edit Website to open the editor. Add the Online Store section. On the left panel, click the plus button. Scroll down and choose Online Store. Select the layout and click Add. This will insert the store section onto your chosen page. Add products. Click the store section and choose Manage Store. Click Products, Add Product to enter product details like name, price, description, and images. You can also set up categories, inventory tracking, and shipping options. Set up payments. Go to Settings, Payments to connect a payment provider like PayPal, Square, or GoDaddy Payments. Publish. Click Publish to make your store live.